Hello, my name is Kanji Coder. You're on video 707 of the Fast Code Reviews, and let's do it. So in the PIMPSOB top-level data section, we have added this lookup table. It is the green room index to R4X and R4Y, R4X and R4Y being the underlying backing data cells for whatever room's worth of data that we want to get. And it might look like a mistake that these are 1, 2, 3s, 1, 2, 3s, and this is 0, 1, 2. So I have a little proof as to like why these are correct. We don't really have time to go over why this is correct. You'll have to look at the slower playlist if you want the full explanation, because we got a lot to cover here. Okay, so let's scroll down here. So we got those two new lookup tables that are the lookup tables we want. But we're going to make sure they're correct. So we have this cross-checking section right here. We have a whole bunch of variables right here, but the general takeaway is that we're going to look up R4X and R4Y using the lookup tables that we think are the correct lookup tables. And then we're going to convolutedly derive R4X, R4Y using the stupid-ass lookup table we accidentally created. And we're going to make sure that R4X, R4Y matches these check values, right? We're doing some cross-checking. So we're going to loop through every single green room index, 0 to 9 minus 1 inclusive, and we're going to derive R4X and R4Y convolutedly by getting the layout coordinates on the actual renderable space using gr9. So R5X, R5Y is a cell address on the render layout. We're going to convert that to a one-dimensional address called G25, and then we're going to put G25 into this very old battle-tested lookup table to get our check value. Then we're going to use gr9 in the lookup table that we actually wanted to create, and so gr9 goes in, R4X, R4Y goes out, right? Simple, right? Simple, convoluted, and stupid. But we'll use the convoluted and stupid way to cross-check, right? So if check R4X is not equal to R4X, or check R4Y not equal to R4Y, then we done fucked up. But guess what? We don't crash because we did it right. All right, hooray. If you want a longer explanation of the math, go here to Ninja Coder. You're on the advanced playlist right here on Kanji Coder. Technical demos here, source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me down there. Like and subscribe. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine.